walking. And here we are. You can have a drink of mine because it's really easy to get to. All the what? Yeah, and people don't clean it up. Yeah, I know, they're rude. Anyway, look how beautiful it is. There we go. Thirsty? Yeah. I'll video for a couple of minutes and then probably take a break. I don't know how exciting it is for other people to watch us walk on a trail. I don't just video for other people, but I do like people to see what life as a homeschooler is like. So we do a lot of outdoor stuff. I just need to get in the habit of videoing. I don't video very much, like ever actually, until recently when I'm trying to show people what homeschooling a large family is like. Huh? I am weird, I know, I'm sorry. I hope you still love me.
I'll think about it.
You'll think about it? Alright. Anyway. So beautiful. Who wouldn't want to be out here?
Can I come, Bobby?